My belt is squealing after installing Z1 Motorsports anti-jump belt kit. What do you think it would possibly be? I'm not diagnosing your car, I'm just giving some thoughts and opinions. But what I would definitely say is definitely check the pulley to see if you torqued it in the right position. Maybe double check your tensioner. And depending on your year, I think it's like 2017, if your AC compressor wasn't aligned correctly, you could still get squealing noise from your belt, even though you added the Z1 Motorsports thing. Now, what I will add on to this is if you hear a squeal noise while you're idling, then you probably didn't install something correctly. If you're driving and you turn your AC on like full blast, if you hear a squeal then, that means your AC compressor isn't aligned correctly and you still need to get it aligned and follow that technical service bulletin that I put in that previous page. I hope everything works out though. Just keep that noted. All right. If anything